Hey guys, Tyler here at Harbin Automotive. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST with a Z71 package. This truck is equipped with the black appearance bow ties. If you come around to the side here, we've got the OEM GM Accessories 4-inch lift with the GM Accessories 22-inch wheels. It also has 285, 55 R22 Nitto Ridge grapplers. This truck has the GM Accessories step bars and a trifold bed cover by Rev Industries. It's factory GM accessory. All of this is covered by an OEM GM warranty because it is factory product. Alright guys, for the interior of this truck, you can see that we have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen. This truck is equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot using the OnStar program that's on this truck. This is a leather RST truck. It also has Bose audio. It's got your heated seats, a heated steering wheel, dual climate control. That's part of the All-Star package. It's got Sirius XM along with Bluetooth connectivity. It's got various apps you can download through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This truck has multiple modes between tow mode, sport mode, and off-road mode, depending on your driving terrains. This truck is four-wheel drive, has automatic headlights, has cruise control, phone controls here so you can use your hands-free, and this truck has trailer brake controls, USB and 12-volt plug-ins, as well as a 110 power outlet. Alright guys, for the back seat of this truck, we do have some accessories here. I know you can't see it from where you're standing, but this truck does have rear ventilation along with USB and a 12-volt port, so whoever's riding the back seat can keep anything they need charged up. Since it is a Z71, this truck does have the all-weather floor mats as a standard option. It's got under-seat storage along with the cup holders in the rear, armrest, and on each side you've got rear back seat storage, so you can store any kind of tools or anything you want to put back there to keep stowed out from the open. Alright guys, here in the bed of the truck you can see we've got the OEM spray-in bed liner. That's part of the Z71 package. This truck's also equipped with bed lights to illuminate anything that you could be doing at nighttime, along with a 110 outlet to charge any tools or anything that you may need lighted at the bed of the truck. You can see here we've got the pull cord to flip up each section of the bed cover, and that's automatic locking, and it's fully sealed when the tailgate is shut. Well, that's about all we've got to talk about on this 2020 Silverado today. Come on to Harbin and check it out if you like it.